Welcome to dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Sri Lanka. Let's get started. So step 1, you need to choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com and type in Sri Lanka into the search bar, or just click the link below and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Sri Lanka. Choose an exchange to suit your needs. Step 2. Register and KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3. Deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is usually different depending on which exchange you chose, so be sure to follow the instructions on the exchange website. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to see the updated list of all the best exchanges in Sri Lanka. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the dontgetrekt Academy. Link below. And that's it for today. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Sri Lanka. And see you in the next video.